Warning! The following video features stunts performed either by complete idiots or under the supervision of complete idiots to ensure the safety of performers and animals alike. Accordingly, YouTube and the producers must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any of these stunts or activities. Okay. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Okay. That light works. That one's not doing anything.
It's turned on because I... Wait a minute. You don't have it plugged in the right plug.
It won't matter. I
It
wouldn't
won't?
touch that if I were you. Just in case it's hot. Okay.
Oh.
Nothing's happening. So we're not quite there yet. But that works. So we just have to figure out how to make that work. So go ahead and let's unplug and regroup here.
Some wiring with Nate.
Yeah. You're not going to learn anything from this. So don't try.
Do not try
This is not a how-to video. This is a how not to video. Keep that in mind. Kids, if you're watching this, go watch something else. You know, there's lots of My Little Pony clips on YouTube. Go watch that. Forget this. You shouldn't be watching this shit anyway. Alright. Alright, let's see if I can figure where I went wrong. Okay. Just to prove that this is unplugged and I'm not going to zap myself. Alright.
Oh, where's the fun in that?
You would like that, wouldn't you? Okay.
No, not really, no.
Okay. Okay, so we know that this output works.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thus far, that output has not worked. Okay. So maybe the snap switch wasn't broken, and I'm just stupid. That's happened before.
Yeah.
Okay. So this goes into here, and this goes to here, which is connected to here. Because that goes into that. Okay. Right. Okay, so I flick that. That connects that to this. Right.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go up. That should go around to that. And we know that light works because it was working and plugged in when we grabbed it.
Yep.
Okay. We know that much works. So the problem is somewhere between this switch and this three-prong outlet. Okay, we're going to conduct a test here. I'm going to unhook the wall socket from the light switch and instead hook it to the light socket just to see if the wall outlet works. Because then when I throw the switch, they should both come on at the same time. So, I'm going to go ahead and wire this to this. Okay, this is going to go to this. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now. And I'm not even going to bother putting light bulb in the switch, because theoretically, when I plug this shit in, it should just work. So that goes to there. I'm going to get my safety gloves back on. Okay. Alright. I'm going to plug this back in. I'm going to just sit that right there. Go ahead and plug it in. All right, we got power. We have power to that, which means there's power to that. Okay, so if I click this switch, we lose power to that. So we now know that both light fixtures work. We just have to figure out how to make this work when we go back and forth. So we're getting there. Okay, because when I do that, it works. When I do that, nothing happens. So go ahead and unplug. All right. All right. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right. Okay. So let me go ahead and remove this. All right. Now, the next experiment I'm going to unhook this from this and hook it to the other side and see what happens. Alright. Alright. Now, let me unplug the fluorescent light for a minute. Okay. This is not hooked to anything at the moment, so that's not going to do anything. Alright. Now, theoretically, when we plug this back in, if this light bulb doesn't come on, I think it's safe to assume that that's either A, not how that switch is meant to be hooked up, or B, that switch doesn't work right. So I'm going to plug this back in. Now go ahead and turn it on. Nothing's happening. Alright. Put my safety glove back on and throw the switch and see what happens. Because we haven't blown the power out to the whole workshop yet, so nothing. Okay, and nothing. Alright, unplug it. I think we can conclude now that that switch does not work. So, that means we have to come up with a new plan. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the light bulb. Okay, so we know that the switch works on this terminal, but not this terminal. So that, like we said, that's one of two problems. Either the switch doesn't work right, or the wiring's wrong. And this did not come with instructions. So we know that diagonally does not make any sort of connection. We know that here to here makes a connection. Ergo, okay, let's just, Probably a reason this switch was in that coffee can now, the more I think
Probably.
Because I'm thinking it didn't work. Okay, let's take that out. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. So. There to there. Okay. Connect this to this. Okay, now I got a wire left over, which is, you know, normal. You're not doing it right if there's not pieces left over. So, I need to connect that to there. That goes on there. Alright, now, what we've got is kind of back to how we had it before, where when I just flip the switch to on, they should both come on at the same time. So, we plug this into here, and we screw this into here, and we plug this into this. Gloves on. Okay. Put that in place. Alright, power up. Okay, now when I throw the switch, they should both come on.
Should.
Nothing's happening. Unplug it. Alright. Let me try one more thing. Maybe diagonal was where it was getting power. And we just didn't know it.
I don't know.
Alright, let's try this shit again. Power up. Aha! That means that on our configuration, this side over here is the dead side. So I think we can safely conclude that that switch is a piece of shit. And that I don't know jack shit about how to wire anything. So, have we learned anything today?
No.
No, we didn't. Not at all. Not the least fucking bit. We did not learn jack shit. Alright, unplug again. I'm going to try one last thing.
Okay.
This is probably a horrible idea,
God.
but I'm going to do it. Because I'm just crazy enough to do it. Oh, wait, we have another light switch.
Yeah.
I was not aware we had
I
it.
just grabbed it.
Oh! Well, I'm still going to do my idea. Okay. Because reasons. Alright. Okay. Rip. Tear. Okay. Yeah, you get those long after, you know, we're like 45 minutes into this video.
I just see him sitting there.
And all this time I've been stripping these fuckers with my teeth pliers.
Sorry.
Oh well, again, this is a how not to video, so, you know. You ain't doing it right if you ain't fucking it up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, I'm going to connect both of these right here on the one that we know has power.
Mm-hmm.
Again, this is probably not going to work at all. And then I'm going to connect the other end of this to the other side. So now, I'm almost betting we're going to blow something up. Alright. Alright. Let me remind all of you, don't try this at home if you still want to have a home to try it in. Plug it in. Okay, nothing happened. Okay. So it's still, even though I've put power over that, it's not getting a connection. So that switch is completely fucked. So unplug it. Alright. So we can now, without a doubt, determine that that switch is a piece of shit. So we're going to get rid of that switch entirely. Alright.
Okay. Plumber.
Okay, so this is no good, so that can go away.
Oh, come on, I'm right behind you.
That was the idea.
You bastard.
Yep.
Fuck stick. I don't have any more switches.
Alright, connect this to here. Okay. And connect this to here. You fucker. Okay. Now we've got a regular 2-pole switch that just has on and off. So, once again, donning the insulated gloves. I'm gonna plug it in. Make sure that that says off. Alright, plug me in. There we go. Success. Not quite what I wanted it to do, but it works. Because the original plan was to just be able to switch the switch back and forth and change which light comes on. But that didn't happen, so we're going to have to settle for this. There it is. This is our how not to wire something. There it is. I've got nothing.
Basically, what you see here is a complete conglomerate of a clusterfuck.
Right. And I'm not letting this video end until you try it.
Oh, for the love of God. What in the complete fuck do you want me to do?
Whatever you want to do.
Jesus Christ fucking mighty.
Oh! That's dangerously close to a metal table.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing this on top of a table saw and the whole bed of it's metal. That shows you how smart we are. Alright. I made it work. Now you gotta make it work.
Alright, you first. You tear it apart.
Alright, power is down. I'm gonna rip this all apart. We're gonna see if he can make it work. You can use only the stuff that I've provided. And because I know this video is going to be well over an hour long, this is going to be a multi-part thing.
Yeah.
So, I'm not sure what part we're on right now, because we haven't gotten that far in the process yet. But, you know, that's all part of the fun. Okay. So I'm tearing this down. You're watching this, so you can see how I put this together. He's not watching me tear it apart right now.
No, because I don't want to watch it tear it apart, because I want to figure it out on my own.
That's right. And for the sake of safety, if I see you do something horribly wrong, I will stop you.
Let me fry myself.
Then I'd be short a camera person.
Well, yeah.
The only thing I'm going to leave together is the plug, because that's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, you fucked that up. There's something wrong with you.
I don't know, Dean gave up halfway through the video, so we can't prove that. So, there we go. I got it all torn apart. Now all we got to do is see if he can figure it out.
Okay.
So, get the hell over here. And let's see what you got. Where's the safety gloves at? Okay, you got the safety gloves. I'm going to go behind the camera now. And I'll be on the plug whenever we're ready. So, and we're still recording. If the camera fucks up again, I'll stop you. So, have at her.
Okay, now, I'm going to attempt to try to make this work. I don't know how, but I am.
And I'm going to stand here and watch. Alright, I'm just going to put that down a little bit so we can see more of the pieces while you're doing it. Yeah, we actually have a tripod now, so we can actually not have constant case of shaky cam. And for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to stand right here by the camera and use this plug. Which is probably what we should have been doing all along, but whatever. Alright.
Oh well.
Alright, let's see what you got, son! And, you know, just because we're probably well into part 2 or 3 right now, here's another shot of Dean's boat engine, just in case you're bored. Alright, there we go. This is new territory for us. We've never really shown the building process in any of our videos.
No. I'm going to put this out because I cannot stand smoke in my eyes.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't need to burn and electrocute yourself at the same time.
No.
Let's try to have only one fire hazard at a time.
Yeah.
You know, just a thought.
Yeah.
Okay. He's going for the outlet first.
If I really wanted to be technical, I'd go get actual fucking wire that is intended for this. But
Yeah, what is that, like speaker wire or some shit?
No, this is like battery wire or something.
Oh, that's even better. Well, you know, we're not exactly wiring a house here.
No.
We're building some sort of crazy Frankenstein contraption.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
in this top secret location that we will never ever reveal.
Yeah.
No one will ever know where this is. There's no way in hell that anyone will ever get us to tell them that this is the basement of your house. We will never reveal that.
Thanks, bastard. Yeah, but they don't know where I live.
That's right. Because we're not that stupid.
Yeah. Now, one night we get drunk enough, yeah, we may.
And then we'll be like Dan Hardcastle and get crazed fans showing up at our door, which is why he moved to Canada. Or, well, Canada, as he so puts it, because you know how he is. Alright. Alright, let's see. So far, I see. We got half of a plug attached. Half of a wall socket attached, rather. And...
Nope.
No. No, there we go.
I'll get there.
That wouldn't have really done anything. Yeah. Alright, Barney. Oh my god. Alright, we had another camera fuck up at the half-hour mark again, so here we go. He hasn't really progressed much in the past, like, 30 seconds that that went off, so we're moving again. Can't blame it on the battery this time, it just decided to quit recording.
Don't know why it keeps on doing that. But...
I don't know, one of these days I'm going to upgrade from a point and shoot camera to a proper video camera, but for now. Alright. Alright, we're going for the switch now. We're switching to the switch. Okay, you've got the outlet connected to the light socket, kind of, and then you've got the switch. I think I may have just seen a puff of smoke. That was like, oh, I think I got it. Just looking at all the other random odds and ends we've got thrown around here. Like whatever the hell kind of plug that is.
That is for... a welder, I think.
Welder. Fascinating. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, we got one more wire.
Oh, bitch! Okay. I need to get... Fuck off!
Alright, you got something there. The only way to find out if you have success is to actually try it and prove that that works. Okay, go get your lady bulb. Okay, get all your parts somewhere where they're not gonna go or hopefully they don't go anyway. Alright, you might want to set the switch up on that box just in case. Okay, you ready for power?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you figured it out. And it took you less time than it took me. Well, damn.
I've created something.
Yes. There it is. We got the light switch, the light bulb, the wall socket, and the fluorescent light all working. Over here is our power source with our camera phone charger. So there it is. We made something. So let me come back in front of the camera here. My God, it actually works. I don't know how, but it works. So yeah, that's our how not to video for electrical wiring.
Yeah.
Like I said, don't try to learn anything from this.
No.
Don't try this.
No.
Don't do this. Don't think of doing this.
No.
Any combination of any of that, because this is a horrible, horrible, horrible idea. And especially don't do any of this shit when you're drunk.
No.
So there you go. That's it. We're done. In about fucking time.